Awesome! Alright, so we've got an order to send across the country tomorrow. We've got a tumbler. We've got 4 black shaker bottles and then a hoodie. Okay, we need to take off all of these wrappers. First things first. I just cut my nails, so this is gonna be difficult. I've got scissors. I've got scissors. There we go. Woo! We're in business now. Boom.
You got the devil in your eyes. You went and took me by surprise. Say what you wanna say, I won't go back. If you wanna hit the road, then let's go then. Let's just go and see the world and just show them what it really means to live life golden. Yeah, we're golden, baby girl, we're golden. They're about to see us shine, cause we're golden. They can't ever break us down, cause we're golden. They're about to see us glow, cause we're golden.
Landon donated $5. Call me old-fashioned, but I was raised to serve my wife. I clean the dishes and cook her food. I do whatever she says, BC she is my wife, and she makes the rules around the house. She owns me. I am her property. If she ever cheats on me, it's BC.
I love you, baby. Oh, there. Perfect. Thank you for the 5. So I would say about yay long. I haven't looked too much into it as far as like aligning these better, but I've been using a piece of tape and just trying to get better with my surgical skills. So that's where I'm at. I'm grabbing a piece of clear tape, scotch tape, and folding it to make a straight line as best as I can, though not perfect. I think I need to get a new thingy-majig to pick these off. This is what I'm using right now. It's just some cheap set off of Amazon, but I find that they're not sticking together very well. I don't know. Maybe I'm wrong. They're like tweezers, but they're not very good. I've been using my hands for the most part for placing them, and this I just use to pull apart vinyl. But I find them just very weak, very malleable, I suppose. Not so sure. The tape is very straight. Let's put it down here. Perfect. This is what we got thus far. It's going well. Not perfect, but did it. Pretty nice. Woo, woo. Okay, need the straw. Straw. And it needs a card. Got business card. Drop in there. And straw. And one is Mimi. Perfect. We're gonna take our little scrapey thing and just make sure this is pushed all the way down, which it never is, so I always do it. Alright.
Savage love, did somebody break your heart? Looking like an angel, but you're savage love. When you kiss me, I know you don't get two fucks, but I still want that. You're savage love. You're savage love. You're savage love. You could use me, 'cause I still want that. Baby, I hope that this ain't karma, 'cause I get around. You wanna run it up, I wanna lock it down. Usually don't be falling fast. You got a way of making me spend up all my cash.